Hi, I'm Kim. I'm an audiologist with almost 30 years of experience. Today I want to share why paying for professional services, especially in hearing care, is so important. Many of us love do-it-yourself projects, but sometimes we need expert help to avoid costly mistakes. It's the same with hearing aids. While we agree that over-the-counter hearing aids will save you money from prescription hearing aids, without proper guidance, you could end up wasting your time and money. Hearing aids are medical devices, and it is my opinion that finding the right OTC option requires professional advice, if not just a little. Hearing well matters. Hearing loss isn't fun, and you want to save some money but still be successful. Well, listen up. When I expanded my brick and mortar clinic to online to start Hears Hearing Hearables during COVID, I wanted to get some projects done and decided to do it myself. But I didn't know what I was doing. So I searched online and found real live professional web designer on the computer, not a video or a forum to read. I thought, wow, this is exactly what I envisioned for our online support system, and I paid him per minute, respecting his time. When I heard over-the-counter hearing aids are going to be available for mild to moderate hearing loss, I was all for it, yet still think you need to see us, and hence this online portal to get help. People often hesitate to pay for services because we're used to bundled pricing where the cost of the products includes the hidden fees for the service. This makes it unclear what you're truly paying for. At my clinic in Minnesota, we separate out the cost of the hearing aid from the cost of the service, providing clarity and often saving patients money. Transparency is key. Medicare and many insurance plans don't cover hearing aids or a full range of hearing services, just a hearing test. This puts audiologists like me in a tough spot, needing to charge out of pocket for services. Yet many people still expect professional help, but no one can work for free. Let me back it up a bit. The over-the-counter hearing aid category was created to help make hearing better, more affordable, and now these devices are available to purchase. People are having a hard time understanding what they want, need, or should expect. This is obvious as the over-the-counter hearing aid has a very high return rate of over 34%, maybe even higher now. On the other hand, prescription hearing aids do not have a high return rate, less than 20%. That is with the help of a professional service. Here's why I believe paying for professional service will make this category for hearing help worthwhile. I can't imagine walking into a big box store and meet someone who has no idea what it's like to have a hearing loss, what it entails to put something in your ear, and what you need, not knowing much about these products. And then you are to find the right product from the customer service person. So let's rethink our habits, people. When we focus only on the least expensive product without considering the value of professional help, we end up supporting big companies, not the professionals who can make a real difference for your success. Reaching out to an audiologist who is independent of the manufacturer or big box helps prevent monopolies and supports competition in the market. When you support independent providers, you help maintain innovation and keep prices reasonable. Yes, maybe a little more than not getting help, but if we lose the category, small innovative businesses stop making new innovation. Spending a little more to help you succeed is well worth it, and well, it is good for our economy. Our online store has access to the specs, features, and benefits to you for realistic expectations of these over-the-counter products and other hearing products for that matter. We take a listen to all of them for a test drive, see what the industry is saying about the aids, any research, and what we know of the company. We love supporting new technology, and there's always some fun and great new companies that have products that you can purchase that could possibly be better than the name brand you hear about over and over and over again, as those big companies have deep money pockets with ease of marketing. What I'm saying in an indirect manner, or maybe it's direct, is come shop your OTC hearing aids at Hears Hearing Hearables, because we can help you. We know what it's like to have hearing loss, to put something in your ears and share expectations to make sure it aligns with your goals. We can get in touch with someone who is schooled and knowledgeable in this subject, like myself and so many others. Don't forget, we offer transparent pricing for products and services both online and in person because we believe in providing clear, fair service for success. We know you will find it worthwhile, I promise. Thank you for valuing professionals like us who are here to help one ear at a time.